Our Russian T-80 tank was having a really bad day, as the tank is running over a field bound to be crawling with mines, going at high speeds. As expected, the tank hits a mine with parts flying away, letting the tank crew with added troops to start flee on foot. Leaving the hatch open, giving Ukrainian drone operators the perfect chance to finish the job. In this case, a more rare FPV drone almost lands inside the tank to the open hatch, creating an internal fire which turns the $3 million tank to be worth as much as the weight of the scrap metal, leaving one less of Russia's tanks on the battlefield. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.